Option 1 is local by Flywheel. Go to localwp.com, add your info, and then all you need to do is download the app that will allow you to practice along with WordPress for free on your computer. Well, run the installer, and this will take a little bit of time. Once it has installed, then the app will open. You can just run it directly. Go to the bottom left corner where you see the plus, and this is where we're going to add this new website for you. Choose Create New Site, and this is going to be standard settings. And in the next screen, give it a name for your site. Select Continue. We're going to go with Preferred, Continue. And now you give it a login name, your name or a special name, and a password as well. And then select Add Site. This will go through the setup procedure. It will ask some permissions. You decide what you want to do with that. And once it is done, your site will be ready. You'll get this screen. Go to Select WP Admin. When you click on it, it's going to give you the login area. Add your username, your email, again, your password. And when you log in now, it takes you into WordPress. This is how WordPress looks. And we'll get into that a lot in the upcoming videos. But there is an easier way to log in. Go back to the app and then see this area called One-Click Admin. Select it and your name will appear there. You're the only one. And then from here, you can just in the future select WP Admin and it will automatically log you in. This is one option how you can practice and follow along for free with WordPress. In the next video, we'll look at another option and then you can choose between the two, which works better for you.